In the last video, we installed the Tentacle plugin and verified its connection. In this video, we'll be setting up the stream event listener for chat commands. Okay, so the first step we really actually don't have to do, but it's just going to make it easier to view the particle effect we're going to be generating. We're just going to move the player start back a little bit. All right, now we are going to create a folder called stream events. And we could put it basically anywhere, but we're going to keep it organized and put it right under the content folder. Now in the content browser, we want to right click and select Niagara system. We're going to select confetti burst. Then now in the content browser, we're going to rename it confetti. Fun fact, anywhere in Windows, you can just press the F2 button down and rename any file or folder you have selected. Now let's drag the confetti system into the world just to verify that it's working. Great, that's looking good. Okay, let's delete that from the level right now. For this next step, we are going to be using the level blueprint. It's dependent upon your situation. If you have level specific blueprints, put it in here. If you want the same effect or command in multiple levels, you're probably going to want to create a actor blueprint. So the level blueprint is perfect for us. Down by begin play, we are going to right click in an empty space and type get tentacle stream. Then add that node. Drag off the tentacle system and type assign. And you'll see a long list of tentacle events. There are a wide variety of events Tentacle can receive. You'll notice that some of them are marked Twitch, Kick, or Anywhere, designating which platform the event can come from. Events marked Anywhere will listen to events on all platforms at once. This is perfect for what we need right now, so we are going to be selecting Chat Command Event from Anywhere. Select the add-on chat command from anywhere listener. Make sure you connect it to event begin play. Drag off the chat message pin and type get command, then add the node. Drag off the command node and type equal. Then add the equal string exactly node. Okay, and this is where we're going to name it pop. And the exclamation point that most people have in their commands is implicit here, so don't worry about that. Now you want to hold down the B key and left click to add a branch node. You can also add this by right clicking and searching for it. Drag the bool pin from the string equal node and plug it directly into the branch node. Connect the branch node to the on-chat command anywhere event node. Then let's add a spawn system at location node. We'll use this to spawn the confetti system we created earlier and tell it where to spawn. We're going to set the system template to confetti, and we're going to set the Z location to 140, so it's above the ground. Then we're going to want to compile and save. Okay, cool. Now we'll hit the play button and wait for Tentacle to connect to Unreal. All right, the status on the indicator is green. Let's send a command through the Tentacle web app. Awesome. All right, that worked. All right, now we can go to Twitch and test it out over there. And that worked. Excellent. Okay, and remember, you don't have to be live or streaming when you test these things out. Chat messages and commands will come through at any time. Thanks for watching the video. If you need any help, check the links below for the Tentacle documentation and Discord community.